Mushroom bacon burger with special sauce.
Okay, let's get to work with that ground beef, a dash of salt and pepper, garlic and onion powder, and smoked paprika. I even add in a couple of egg yolks.
How big are your balls?
Shape your beef patties and then insert small cubes of butter. That way it can melt and cook right inside, making it juicy and flavorful. Using my cast iron pan right here on the barbecue to toast up some onions with a dash of salt and pepper. Also lightly buttered those buns to give them a nice toasty crunch for this burger. Here I'm adding in those mushrooms to the onion mixture, giving them a good toss, and last but not least, those burgers go right on the grill. Notice here I've coordinated everything, so my buns, my toppings are all set to go, and the last part are the burgers. That way they're the freshest, the hottest, and the juiciest when we get to construction time. I even have a few whole jalapeno peppers right on that grill as well. Now that we're at construction time, you'll see here I'm using what I call my Big Mac Imposter Sauce. That easy recipe you can find right on my channel. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more great recipes. Boom.